Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks codes on your Nintendo Switch because the process is a little different compared to other platforms. V-Bucks codes for Switch have to be redeemed through a web browser, not directly in the game. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, grab your V-Bucks card or digital code. You'll need the 25-character code that usually comes printed on the back of the card. Next, open a browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to the official Fortnite redemption site. That's epicgames.com/Fortnite/EN/US/VBucks card. Once you're on the site, click on Get Started. You'll be asked to log into your Epic Games account. Make sure you sign in with the same account that's linked to your Nintendo Switch. If you don't know which account is linked, you can check by going to the Epic Games website, signing in with your Nintendo account, and confirming your linked profiles under Connections. After logging in, you'll see a box where you can enter your V-Bucks code. Type in your 25-character code carefully and click on Next. The website will then ask you which platform you want to redeem the code on. Choose Nintendo Switch. Once you've confirmed your platform, click Confirm or Redeem. The site will show you a confirmation screen saying that your V-Bucks have been successfully redeemed. Now, open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Make sure you're logged in with the same Epic account you used earlier. Once the game loads, your V-Bucks balance should automatically update and the new amount will appear in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. Your V-Bucks are now ready to use. You can spend them on skins, emotes, the Battle Pass, or any other in-game content you want. If your V-Bucks don't appear right away, just restart Fortnite or log out and back into your Epic account. That's how you redeem Fortnite V-Bucks codes on Nintendo Switch. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials.